Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about flower scissors or hanabasami in Japanese. These special scissors are must-have when practicing ikebana. So let's dive in. In ikebana, we usually use iron scissors, but there are also stainless steel types available. Iron scissors are traditional. They have a nice weight and feel really smooth when cutting. Stainless steel ones are easier to maintain because they don't rust easily. I personally use both depending on the situation. Iron scissors gives you a classic feel. And stainless steel ones are super practical for everyday use. Now, let's talk about how to use them properly. First, place the scissors on your palm and gently hold them with your thumb. Use your thumb to keep them steady and move your middle, ring, and little fingers to cut the stems. Your index finger helps support the scissors. At first, handling flower scissors might feel a bit tricky. But don't worry, once you get used to it, it becomes really easy. The key is to cut cleanly and quickly, no sewing back and forth. Hold the stems firmly and make a clean cut angle. This helps the flower drink water better and last longer. Also, don't use your flower scissors for anything else, just flowers. Cutting paper or plastic can damage the blades. After each use, wipe the blades clean and dry them, especially if they are iron. That way, they'll stay sharp and last free for a long time. If you are just getting started, don't worry if you don't have fancy tools. A simple pair of garden shears works just fine in the beginning. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and treat your tools with care. So that's it for today's video. Did you learn something new about Ikebana scissors? Next time, I'll show you how to use a kenzan, the little pin holder that helps arrange your flowers. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. And see you in the next video. Bye!